In this video, we'll show you how to remove the hood strong arms on a Grand Cherokee. You're gonna need a nice little pocket screwdriver, and you're gonna grab this clip and just lift it up. Should slide up. This one's pretty old. And then the same on the bottom. I don't know if you can see down there, but they give you a nice little window. So you're gonna put that screwdriver in there and lift it up. Now, there's another strong arm on the other side that works, but if yours are broken or don't work, you can get a stick or a hood extension rod. I'm gonna hold it with my arm, take a pair of pliers and just pop that down. Grab that inner one, pop that off. Take note the way it was, the actual piston was facing downward. So we're gonna take our new one and do it the same thing. I'm gonna get a piece of sandpaper or even like a wire brush, clean that up a little bit. There's grease already added on the inside. You can see a dab back there, so that'll work out perfectly. I'm just gonna slide that right on. Pops right on like that. Do the same down here. Slide that over that, and then just pull to it. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.